Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the problem with Roblox where it's not launching on your PC if you're using the operating system Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this or fix this problem is quite simple, and you guys would be surprised by how, I should say, how straightforward the fix is for launching your Roblox. So normally when you guys have a fresh install of Roblox, you may come across some issues where the game doesn't launch because of your antivirus or your firewall, or maybe you're using a VPN. So there are many culprits as to why this problem is happening. Now to fix this, one thing that you guys can try is obviously you'd be surprised by how often this actually works is to simply reinstall your Roblox game. So reinstalling it may actually install some missing files or fix some problems that may have come up when you first try to install the game, and you guys should be able to launch your Roblox no problem. Now, if that still doesn't work, another thing you guys can try is to simply restart your PC, as this actually goes a long way. There may be a background app or service that's running that's preventing Roblox from launching. Now, a simple restart of your PC is going to fix this, so you guys should have at it and try it out. Now, if that still doesn't work, another thing that you guys can try is to simply run your game as an administrator. So what's going to happen here is Roblox is basically going to, or I should say your PC is going to give Roblox admin 0 privileges. So this is going to lift a couple of security measures that they have in place when you try to run the game. So normally Roblox would, I should say Windows or Windows Defender would flag Roblox as suspicious when you try to join a server. So what's going to happen is it's going to block you from connecting to the aforementioned server. So by setting it to run as administrator, it's going to get rid of these security measures in place, and you guys should be able to run the game no problem. Now, if that still doesn't work, a lot of the issues where you're unable to launch a game actually has to do with your internet connection. And in most cases, it's usually the VPN. So if you guys are trying to play Roblox with a VPN turned on, you simply need to turn it off because they actually have a system in place where it's able to detect whether you're using a VPN or not. And if you are, it's going to prevent you from connecting to their main server. So turn off your VPN and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So be sure to subscribe to that so you don't miss out on any of our videos. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.